Okay, this is going to be a couple quick passes for the Urban Legend Linden 215 RC 110 scale off-road speed challenge. We got the losi Tenacity MT out here. Little 10 scale monster truck built off the same platform as the Laser Nut, the Desert Buggy, the Trophy Truck. What else? I think they had a Truggy. They had quite a few built on this platform. The monster truck was a little bit different than all of them. Maybe we'll pop the lid afterwards, talk a little bit about what's going on. So we'll just get this GPS zeroed out here. Oh, hold on, I didn't start it. Hopefully you guys can see that. Stop, read, 2 miles an hour. So we got it zeroed out. See what we can get here. Gonna go down that way, then I'll come back this way. This stuff's slippery. There we go. Been having trouble keeping this thing straight. Gonna go back down, try one more, come back this way. I didn't even look if my camera's centered up and if I'm getting a good view here. Hopefully I'm getting a good view. Come on. Come on now. This thing's all over the place. Whoa. Help the mowing the grass around here a little bit. Alright, let's see what we got. $50 miles an hour. Feel like I can do a bit better. No, I'm playing with fire here, but this thing got all fixed linkage. Plastic chassis. The fixed linkage really makes it hard to dial a car in for a speed run when you're just trying to go in a straight line, man. Like, you got no adjustments there, right? So kind of just try to make sure everything's centered up, make sure your servo's centered up and whatnot, and hope for the best pretty much. Come on now. Set up again, try again. Yeah, as soon as I get to about half throttle, it just starts yanking to the right. The side the servo's mounted on. I've never been able to get rid of that. Damn it. Go for a little walk, I guess, boys. I mean, I don't want to cut the footage and somebody think I'm cheating. So I guess we'll shut it down. 50's good for now until I find a better road. restarted. God damn it. Alright, I gotta try one more then. Yeah, let's try it from right here. I need some better tires for speed running. These things just turn into dinner plates. .44. I don't know if I'm gonna beat that 50 out here in these conditions. Try one more though. Man, this thing just does not want to go straight. Alright, well, 50 it is. Back to the drawing board, I guess. Alright, thanks for stopping by.